It's official. Nigerian businesses can now sell directly to Amazon right from anywhere in Nigeria. Now, this is the opportunity thousands of Nigerian SMEs have been waiting for, and now the opportunity is here. Now, what does this mean? It means you can now register to sell on Amazon using your Nigerian documents, and you no longer need anyone abroad to help you register. Now, you can also sell on Amazon, earn in dollars, and all your earnings can be deposited right into your Nigerian DOM account. Join me for a one-day training titled Earn in Dollars by Exporting to the USA, selling on Amazon and other US stores using a solution that requires very little capital. Come and learn what the successful African companies in export are doing and how you can do the same thing for a fraction of what they do. This is a training you can't miss. Slots are limited. Click on the link below to register, and I will see you shortly.